How to associate discussions in Brightspace Gradebook. Start in the Gradebook under Manage Grades. To get there, we'll go through the nav bar, My Grades, Grades, and Manage Grades. See if there are any discussions that have a blank in the Association column. My discussions are not associated. Let's start with the marketing discussion. Find where the marketing discussion is located. This marketing discussion is located in Learning Module 2. Once we've located it, we'll click on the Marketing Discussion Forum in blue. Now we are inside the forum. Use the drop-down arrow to the right of the marketing discussion topic. We are going to edit the topic. Find the Assessments tab located to the right of Properties. Choose a grade item. If a grade item does not exist for this, you will create a new grade item. Score your discussion, and save and close. This is saved successfully. Let's check our work. Back to Manage Grades through the nav bar, Grades, Manage Grades. Scrolling down, we can now see that our discussion has been associated in the gradebook. Follow these directions and link the rest of your discussions to be sure all of them are associated.